Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on Nippon Speed. We're continuing the install on the radio double DIN swap for the 99 4runner. This is episode 2. Yesterday we were working on the disassemble, and today we're going to be working on reassembling everything, new harness, new radio, new everything. This is the difference between the old and the new, so check it out. Old versus the new type. A lot fancier, a lot cleaner look than what the stock unit looks like. So let's go ahead and install it. So here we have both harnesses already connected to the main harness, already cut, spliced, and ready to be installed. Now we got the power cable, speaker cables to the back, main harness. I'll wrap everything now with tape to give it a cleaner look, and then we'll just go from there. So there we have it, guys. Already taped up and ready to go. And what I like about these Metro harnesses is that they're pretty easy to work with. They're direct plug and play. All you have to do is just cut and splice the radio harness with the Metro harness. Other than that, it just plugs right into the factory harnesses behind the dash, and then that's it. That's the best thing. And one of the good places you could go and buy these is Crutchfield's. They're in off of Virginia. It's one of the best places to get these harnesses from, and they got great tech support, high quality people there that know what they're doing, and easy to work with. So that's one of the places you could get one of these harnesses and get great support off of them. All right, let's see how it goes. Well guys, there it is. The new JVC double DIN head unit is finally installed. And it looks pretty interesting. Down here we have the new harness installed. We got the mics set up. We got both amplifier, front and back wires also connected. The antenna is also connected. All I gotta do is play with the two brackets, push them back a little bit more so it could finally fit in, and that's pretty much it. Once I put it back, I'll show you guys the final result. So just give me just a few minutes. Well, here it is, guys, the final install of the double DIN JVC double DIN head unit on the 99 Toyota 4runner. Looks pretty neat, looks clean, looks like it was always there, like how it was meant to be. Very, very, very nice. Well, thanks for watching. This is Isaac from Nippon Speed. Catch us in our next video. A lot of stuff coming your way. Engine builds, car builds, everything JDM. Have a good day. Bye.